Okay, one more quick thing that I forgot. So it's the 513 Tech Minute Part 2. Part 2. How do you actually make these links? So for the, let's say I just want to link my two HyperDocs together. I'm going to go ahead and hit my share button here and hide all this stuff. You can see I have it as anyone with the link. I'm going to copy that link. Then I'm going to go in here. Let's say I want to put that on claim evidence reasoning, highlight. You can hit this insert link button, or as it says there, Control K. Paste it right here, Control V. That's going to make that linked to the other document. If I click on it, it will open up the earthquakes document, the cheat day one. I'm going to remove that because that's not useful. I just wanted to show you how you can actually put those links in. So that is your PS. Forgot about this part. Continue to take care of yourself and one another. Stay safe. Wash your hands. Wear a mask. From household to yours. We love you.